abarai bari batatu babete bakunyara gochoro ko babuna abawaziri omutangani Mutahi Kagwe oyorengo mwaziri bobochenwa se regime ya Jubilee gose inse yoburai bwae Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta nigobona betega agusabeta kunyara gochorwa ngoiga ko swa asekergo buna omwaziri ogose kunyara goswa buna omwaziri boborimi na oborindi bwetugo agriculture and livestock oyibona litukure igoro bete bakunyara wikana na bosyo bwe assembly so kunyara kwiraneria amaborio au William Kabogo yorengo mugavana Monali Kinyanjui nero lengo mugavana we county ya Nakuru nere negati abali babete bakunyara wikana mega William Kabogo kunyara kubaga kunyara gochorwa kunyara kubamuno mwaziri ase ensemo ya ICT amona liki nyanjui kunyara gosoa ase ensemo ya trade hango chindego confirm kidogo ono nigoli tukule goro babete bakunyara gwikira na bosyo bwe assembly yo abwase barenge kwenaneria maburi au naiga na bibikaro byabete bikunyara bakorekana anemono egati abali babete bakunyara kuburirwa ama ebikaro byabo byamaega ngamono gosira kumunyaruka masike ino yo bwateraniri ugo kokwaye kubwateraniria muno yo kabiro mu governor William Kabogo nigo chinga kiechecho igoro yebitoki byabete bikunyara gosira ni chitenda au ngaki iyekere binyinyi bya COVID-19 byarenge imeyense yakini guse binyinyi by'enyama ebibwateranete mu oyo kabero mwaziri boboceno Mutahi Kagwe abwasabete gakunyara kwegerera kigimano nigo mbabete bakunyara kuroberia egati ya magendro au nemero biri babegete barachi kunyara gukorera umwananchi kawaida nyura igagocha maiga yo murai bwense yakini Muski William Samuel Ruto kunyara kubaga kunyara gukora montoreri au ase ewizara gose asobora ibwae anene mono asense moyechi wizara au tera abantu ndentangane tera baya kabere kolende eya gatatu.
Youth, there is fintech and agri-finance. These are the areas that the youth are going to be interested in. So, in a nutshell, Mr. Chairman, the business of agriculture has got to be looked at from a profit and loss in order for us to make it worthwhile and in order for us to revive it. Agriculture for the youth must be made cool. It is too ordinary. It's too boring. Youth are not going to go there the way it is structured today. It's got to be something more exciting that involves technology, that involves new ways of doing things, that involves areas in agriculture that we have not quite spent, our time on. Things like hydroponics, aquaponics. These are areas that they are going to look at. The use of technology means that they are going to introduce new things in agriculture that do not currently exist. What does that mean, therefore? It means that the training that we are going to engage in, working together with the ministries of education, we have to look at the training that we are giving the agricultural sector, the agricultural student. What are we training them in? The future of agriculture is going to be in technology.
I think, Mr. Speaker, this is a good job for me as ICT and Digital Economy Minister, is that I managed while at Kiambu to digitize the entire revenue collection in Kiambu County, taking our revenues from 800 million a year to 2.7 billion in 14 months. I also managed to digitize the health systems such that there would be seamless work by doctors in treating Kenyans in all our Kiambu hospitals. Also had developed management information systems for Kiambu County so that from a dashboard, Mr. Speaker, I would be able to know exactly what is happening in each of the ministries, the 10 ministries. So really, that gives me a head start on, because
into a city in the year 2021, and in the same year I was voted the most business-friendly governor in Africa, and we take pride in some of this because they inform why we are also seated here today. Between the year 2022 to date, I retreated to my private business and had the opportunity to experience the country from the other side. And I say that because it is also important that when we discuss public policy, we also discuss it from where the public sees it. And I also had the opportunity to see how red tape affects business, how the cost of energy can hinder growth, and how taxation can impact businesses and hinder growth also. I also had experiences on how pending bills can bring businesses down, can impact on growth, and also how the management or mismanagement of politics can affect business across the country.